Alright, so this video is for you if you know you want to start using Microsoft Azure for free and you don't have developer account, or so you could actually use Microsoft Azure. So work with me, come with me, let me show you um how to create an Azure account if you don't have one. So what you do is search for Azure, Microsoft Azure, click here and go in with this your account, your Microsoft Outlook account, personal. Alright, so I have this one already. So here that says starts with an Azure free trial for 12 months. You can actually do this. Um, Click that and then try Azure for free. Click that also. So you fill in your necessary information. I tried doing this before, so you just try to fill in your necessary information. This is not what will pop out for us. So what you need to do is to fill in your necessary information. Then after that, after filling in your necessary information, you are going to pay with your card. Fill in your card details, a MasterCard. So the good news is that if you're in Nigeria, you can now pay with your MasterCard. So just go in with that information, then click sign up. So I'm not going to do this because I already have mine done already. So once you click on sign up, you have your account ready. Alright, so now the next thing you need to do is you just go in into the account. So if you are signing in Azure, if you've done that already with your Azure account, or your email, and you now have an Azure account. So I'm trying to open that. So you are here. It brings you here. So it brings you here, this particular place. And when you are here on this window, there's something called Microsoft Entra ID. This place, you see there, Microsoft Entra ID. So you need to click that. Um, Now I have Microsoft Entra ID. So you need the Microsoft Entra ID. And so here, manage at the left hand side, and then you click on users. Alright, so these are the users I've created. So the very first time you do that, you're going to see your this one I created, added this user. So the very first time is this, you're going to see your Microsoft developer account. I have this. You can just copy this out and then paste it, and then you see it in full. So this is your Microsoft Entra ID, so you need that, so you can just keep it somewhere. I'm going to paste it on, so you see what I'm talking about. You see the first new text. So now this the Microsoft Entra ID you're going to get immediately you do that. Now, after doing that, you need to, you cannot create as many users or members as possible. So this is your Microsoft Entra ID. So it's actually very long. So you can actually create or add more users. So you can add more users here, right? You can add more users on this particular page. So you need you can create a proper email, right? As you can see from what we had before, it's actually looking very long. So you can actually create a new email. So this will serve as like your organizational email that you can use for Power BI service, and you can use this email also for Microsoft Fabric, because for you to use Microsoft Fabric, you need like a work email, or you need to create a user principal email or so, something like that. So but you can actually do that with Azure. So we need to actually create a new user. You create a new user here. This place that says create a new user, you can just click here. Okay, so here is where you now create your user principal name. So you can give the first name or any name you want to have. So when you give it that, so if let's say I just create something like Margaret or Mag. So when you click this drop down or you click this copy, you get to see how your user principal name looks like. So it's going to be your user principal name. So paste that. So your user principal name will be something like Mag at this Microsoft. Yeah. So that's the first thing you do, but I'm not doing this. I already have this. All right. Okay, so after giving in your user principal name, you can add a display name. What this name do you want to see? So I can just say Richie. Any display name you want to see, you can just include that there. And then the password, you have to click on this place that says auto generate, and then create a password here. Whatever you want to give the password, it could be anything. Okay, so let me give my own. Alright, so you can give it a password. Remember the password, you can copy it out so you can always remember your password. Always remember your password. Alright, okay, so after giving it your password, setting your password, giving it your name and everything, just click on review and create. Alright, so if you still click on create, so it's still creating. You can refresh. Okay, you can refresh here. Yeah, so I have it created. Yeah, I have it created. So I have this created already. Okay, so the next thing you need to do is to search for subscription. Now I have this opened. So you click on Azure subscription. So you click on the access control. So you can click on this add, and then you can also see add role assignment. So when you're here, you just click on this privilege administrator role, then you click on owner, and then click on next. Okay, you click on members, and then here select members. So here you will see the email that you've created. So you can click on this. So after doing this, you just click on that, and then you click on select, continue, and then you click on next. Click on the third, then click on review and assign, review and assign. So it's added already. So we have that created for us. Okay, so we'll go back to home. Now we are now at home. Now we can now create Microsoft Fabric. I take it back again. Yeah, this is it, Microsoft Fabric. Oh, sorry about that. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So we'll come back here, please. Sorry about that. Sorry about that. So we're back here. If you go to home, sorry, you see the Microsoft Fabric. You can click on create. You can click on create. But before creating this, we have to log this out and then log in again with our Microsoft user principal email that we just generated. Remember, we saved it, so we have to log this out, and then we'll sign again with a different account. So I'm going to use another account, and I'm going to have this. This was it. So Control C, then go in with the mail, Control V. Right, this was the email that we created, the new user we added. So click on next. So you enter the password, remember the password. Sign in. So we need to update this password by giving it a very good password. And so how do you do that? You can just the current password, going with the current password, then going with the new password, confirm that, then sign. Okay, let's keep this open. We help you keep your account secure. We help you set up another way to verify it. Next. Okay, so you need to have a Microsoft Authenticator app. If you've been using Microsoft for some time now, you should have an authenticator app. So if you don't have, you can download the authenticator app on your mobile phone. After downloading the authenticator app on your mobile phone, you start then and then you click on next. So let's set this account up with the authenticator app. Click on next. And then you scan this thing. Open the authenticator app. Open the authenticator app and then scan this image. Okay, on your device, after downloading the authenticator app, open it on your device and then scan that. So I have mine scanned, account added, and then click on next. So 72. Okay, so we have approved. So we have that done. All right, now can now go into Azure. So we can now search for Microsoft Fabric. So this is Microsoft Fabric. Open and create. A resource group if you want. This is you creating a capacity here, but I'm not going to do that. I only want to use the free trial. So go back. So go back to your home. Then Microsoft Fabric again. Sign up for free trial. Okay, so you've selected Microsoft Fabric now. Go in with your Microsoft, the email you created. That's it here. So I've gone in with mine. Yes. Okay, do this. So I'm going to do this. So submit. Okay. Sign in. religion. You can give it any country. Mm, give it any country. Country. Where in Nigeria? Job title. Data analysis. Going with your phone number. Alright, go with your phone number and click on get started. Go in with your phone number and get started, and then you come to this place and then get started. Now it takes you to Fabric window. Yeah, welcome to Fabric. Yeah, now we are now on Fabric. Yeah, you can create okay. You can create a workspace. Give it a workspace name. So after that, you see this place, you're not buying, you're using it free, try free. Alright, new. Got it? Okay, so now you can use Fabric for free. You can, this is create lake houses, pipeline, data flow. So when you have this, you are good to go. So now you can use Fabric for free. That email can serve as your developer accounts, your email, your organization accounts. Then you can start, learning Fabric just like that. Very easy. So just follow the step by step. You have Microsoft account ready. Thanks. Catch ya.